in this video we're going to be looking at the Makita multi-tool. Hello! Right, video number 4 of 4 now, the final Makita cordless tool. And this one is a Makita multi-tool. Now I know not all of you will have to go with a multi-tool, but I can assure you it's well worth having a go with. When these first came out, there was a lot of cheap and nasty ones about, but then the big brand names started making them. They're just a brilliant tool to have in your collection. What a multi-tool does, if you can hear, it vibrates. It sounds horrendous, but they're brilliant. The thing with a multi-tool is they won't cut anything soft. It has to be something hard. So if you touch it to something soft, it just won't cut it. So let's have a look at the multi-tool. Again, there's not a hell of a lot to show you on a multi-tool. It has got a speed setting here, which goes right up to 6, from 1 to 6, for the speed of the multi-tool. It has got an adjustable blade here where you can undo this with an Allen key, which is nicely stored in the side of the multi-tool. You can slacken this off, and it's got little teeth, and you can position this blade anywhere in like a 360 wherever you want it. Again, uses the Makita LXT batteries. This one's fitted with a 4 amp at 18 volt, of course. Again, it's got the ELF indicator, tells you how much charge the battery's got. Of course, it's a brushless motor. Now, blades, you can get blades for cutting wood, plastic, steel, anything really. Just is a really handy bit of kit. They are quite heavy things to hold, but a brilliant bit of kit. So that's a Makita multi-tool. A brilliant tool for nibbling bits out where you can't get in with a saw. It's for trimming the bottom off a bit of skating board, or notching out in a corner where you can't get in with a saw. It's just a really handy tool. And so that's the Makita multi-tool. So if you haven't got one of these and you fancy treating yourself to a new power tool, I'd definitely get one of these. Get yourself a Makita cordless brushless motor multi-tool. So that's all 4 episodes done. They were quick ones this time, but I don't want to go on. I don't want to complicate it too much. It's simple. Woodwork is so simple. So all these episodes will be in the description. So if you've missed any of the episodes, then go into the description and just click and watch them. Watch them again and again. Build my watch hours up. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that, and keep woodworking. Keep enjoying yourself. The secret is, when you're making stuff, make sure you enjoy it. Don't get stressed. If you drop a clanger, push it to the side and start again. And I'll see you lot on the next one.